Hey guys, today we're going to do a walk around of my 1955 Chevy two-door sedan 150. This was my dad's first car he bought in 1967. He's had it ever since. We started to do a full frame-off restoration in 2000. We obviously didn't get it completed. We took it over to JV Enterprises in Azusa, California. It has a 383 stroker, 700R4 trans, Currie Ford 9-inch rear end. It's got 17-inch US Rambler wheels on the front, 18-inch US Rambler wheels on the back, smoothie bumper, LED light, LED third brake light, 3-inch Black Widow exhaust straight out the back. It's got a CPP 25-gallon tank. It's got a vent window delete. It's got gray leather interior with orange stitching to keep the theme. Got buckets in the front, a bench in the rear, center console with cup holders, in-dash, vintage air, Dakota digital gauges, custom CNC emblem, rain gear wipers, it's got Dapper LED 7-inch headlights, smoothie front bumper, kept the bird and the emblem in place. Notice that the chrome trim is airbrushed on to give it that 210 look, but is actually a 150. We went with charcoal gray and hugger orange. And this is pretty much my 1955 Chevy two-door sedan 150.